11th and 12th, 11th standard was very scary for me because I was village and teacher used to taunt me like she is from village that so they should not give admission. It is not. So hello ma'am, how are you?
Good morning, and thank you so much inviting me here again. I'm great, and what about you?
First of all, thank you so much for accepting my request again. And yes, I am good. Fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So for you, what is the meaning of self confidence and why self confidence is important and how we can get self confidence?
Three questions together. Let me try to troubleshoot your problem. You know what I believe? I believe I'm a self-confident person, and self-confidence is something that how you carry yourself. When you start doubting on yourself, that time you feel, wavering mindset. So never
Yes.
ever doubt on yourself, on your capability, on your potential. I never doubt it. So never doubt yourself. If you are doubting that time you will always waver. So that is for me self confidence, how you carry yourself, how you present yourself. By your speaking, by your attire, how you look, that is all about self confidence for me. Right?
Mm.
Now, what are the most things that always help you to boost up your self confidence? The first thing is that never ever lie about your weaknesses and strength. Never. Because if you will do the so right, if you will do the same thing, you will always that it will always hold you back. Never say die, never give up, and never stop learning, because learning has power to change your destiny.
Yes.
Fourth thing, always follow your dream, always. Because if you have dream, if you have passion, then you always supposed to be fitted in this world, otherwise this world will kick you out, always kick you out. And the fifth thing is never let other people to dominate your personality, because it will lead you to self low esteem. That is the few things. If you are handling them patiently and wisely, definitely you will get that self confidence. So that is self confidence for me.
Okay. And you mentioned that never let other body to dominate you. Sometimes
Huh?
it happens. Sometimes it
Hmm?
happens, and we do. Maybe it is not with other, but we with our own family member, with our kids, for their happiness, for their self satisfaction. We sometimes do that. Let them dominate on us.
It
Like
happens.
yeah, it happens. So, what is your take on that?
For your ethics, let me just specify here. For your values, for your ethics and ethos, never ever let people to dominate for that, right?
Hmm.
And like you just said, mentioned that sometimes we need to be dominate, right? It's important. Why? It is not important to be vocal always all the time.
Yes.
Sometimes is it important to bite your tongue, to keep your self mouth shut. It's important. जब तक मुझे लगता है until and unless I feel I can take it, take it in a right way, I can take it on my chin, I can handle it wisely, till time I will take it. When it's going above and beyond that time, never allow people to dominate my personality. The way you will treat me, I will treat you the same way. Give respect, take respect.
Yes. Sometimes in my family member, it was happening earlier that I used to be very, I had a very anger. So, like,
Mhm.
whenever I end up with fighting or to ask something my mother and she does not provide me, so I was reacting a lot. Okay, I was throwing a lot of tantrum. In that case, I was in my mind behind. I was thinking that somebody that should be to call me for have a food or to talk with them. So for that, I was like I had decided in my mind that if my grandmother or my father will call, then I will listen. Otherwise, no, and I will not listen anyone. So that I had decided in my mind.
That is a kind of band-aid. You are asking a kind of a band-aid on your wound. आप अपने
Yeah.
घाव को करना चाहते हो by sympathizing by the other people. And sometimes it happened, right? It happened. If you are not harming intentionally anyone, that's okay. I do the same thing at my home. Sometimes I also expect from my husband that he will come and he will pamper me, then I will go. After
Yeah.
all, we are girls, right? We need to show the tantrum. That's our right.
And I usually do, like until and unless I check out my daughter personally, she does not stop crying. She will keep crying. Okay, whatever I say her, whatever she asks for, when I will personally go and take her and ask her or try to calm down, then only she will come. Otherwise,
Ah,
once she goes, she will keep crying.
that's why, because she's carrying the same gene from you.
Yeah.
Right. Great, great, great. Okay. So tell me something, have you ever been any kind of, a kind of privileged moment, or you felt very happy during your journey?
Mm. Yes, when I went to Surat first time, when my 10th result out. So I had told you that I was from government school. So my
Yes.
mama, yeah, I was living in Surat with my mama and mommy. So my 11th and 11th standard was very scary for me, because
Uh-huh.
I was village and teacher used to taunt me like she is from village, that so they should not give admission. It is not that teacher was like, okay, it is because of me I can, maybe I was not able to answer those of the question whatever she asked me, because
Mm-hmm.
whatever me I was not able to uh, I was not able to deliver that in a proper way. So that's
Uh-huh.
why she made that kind of statement that we should not get admission to the village girls or village peoples. Okay, so and that year was very troubling for me. I had no friends in my class, and after 6 months, I end up fighting with a lot of people. So it was
Oh, okay.
happening, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And at the end of the year I became, third rank I got in my 11th standard. And yeah,
Oh.
and in 12th standard I become again I started getting a first rank. So that moment, completely changed for me what I was and what I was living the life. So from that scary moment, from that moment was really different, and it was very enjoying for me at that time.
Yes, you proved yourself. Sometimes it is, in this society, so-called society we are living, sometimes it's very important to prove our presence, right? And that
Yes.
time you proved yourself that you have the capability, right? And you earn it. Yes, you earn it. Actually, you earn it by your hard work, by putting your best foot forward.
So I
Uh,
feel sad sometimes, but I also feel happy that at least I made a good practice. So it's okay.
yes. We need to always remember one thing, that what is that ultimate goal? Why we are connecting
Yes.
with the people? The first thing is that we want to improve, right? We
Yes.
wanted to have fruitful conversation. If you are meeting your ultimate goal, that means you are happy, you are content.
Yes. True.
Hmm. Okay, so tell me something about your experience now. Let me just ask. So, how's your experience? Have you ever been to any weird, any kind of ick experience?
Yes, it happens with me as
Oh.
well. Yeah.
Mhm.
Like, don't know why people sometimes offer me as well that you take a classes from me, and I haven't taken any classes for my learning English, and you now calling me to take a classes from you. Why? I will take a classes from other okay, like maybe other tutors, and right now I no need. I don't need of it. Okay. For removing my minor mistake, I will take the classes from English. Right now I'm making no mistakes, so I'm able to correct myself.
Hmm. Neelu, what I believe, that learning has three part. The first thing, when you decide to be part of this language, that time you feel very happy. That time you feel like I'm flying here and there, right? Because
Yes.
because you are taking initiative towards your goal. That's your first part, right? And second learning part, when you already hop into the process, that time you start comparing yourself. Why? Because you are covered by the lot of personality. Some are fluent, some are intermediate, some are beginner. that time you feel, oh my god, I'm in a hot water, right? I shouldn't do this, like that. You just start blaming yourself. But third is a beautiful part of learning. When you, like you just said, that you can rectify yourself, you know where you are going wrong, right? When you are able to self assess yourself, when you
Yes.
have knowledge to rectify yourself, that is a beautiful part, third process. And that time, if a person is understood, right, what to do next, how to rectify myself, then that person need no tutor, no classes, because that person broaden his horizon towards law, towards education.
Yes, yes. And I'm trying to every day to correct me everywhere. Like someday I feel mundane, but still again I bounce back and I try to check out that whether I'm making mistake, where I'm feeling self doubt. So
Mm-hmm.
earlier so that's why I've gone through grammar as well. Like, okay, I have to go through grammar. Otherwise, I will keep checking myself that whether I'm writing or whether I'm speaking right or not. So
Mm-hmm.
I went grammar. I learned some little bit of grammar, and now, right now, I feel confident. Like when I talk, I feel that yes, I'm talking right.
Of course, you are right. When we had that conversation, that time you had, tremendous kind of confidence. Still, you have that tremendous confidence. Confidence is something like that, a beautiful attire, right? A gem, or you need to wear it well. That's it. And once you drop your confidence, you are supposed to be or considered to be a defeated person. So ask to yourself, do you want to be defeated? Do you want to, portray yourself as a defeated person? So you immediately get an answer, no, मुझे नहीं दिखना ऐसा, right? So you will work on yourself, on your personality. Let's pele wind up. Let's just wind up the session. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
And it was a great conversation with you. You are a great person. You are a confident person. What I like the most in you, that's your confidence. Please maintain that, right? Because
Yeah.
confidence, if someone has that quality confidence, that person has the capability to go far away.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, I'm learning a lot from you and not from you here, from your videos as well. And
Thank you.
every video, there is something to learn, and I try to get it. And
Thank
I,
you.
I become compelled to think about that, whatever you discuss.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Okay, let's just stop the recording first.